Hello everyone, this is Nikita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn some of the very basics of Microsoft Excel. If you are someone who have just started out using Excel, or if you're thinking about learning Excel, then this is the right video for you. I have covered Excel's basic template and some of the very basic options that we use in our everyday work. So let's get started with the video. Open Microsoft Excel, you will get a page that looks something like this. It is important to know that what things are called what before you start working with Excel. So starting from the top left of this page, if you see there are few buttons here, home, insert, page layout, etc. etc. All these buttons are called as tab. Whenever you click on any of the button, you will get a set of few options. The area where this option is displayed is known as ribbon. Each ribbon has a set of few options which is called as group. If you see on this ribbon, there is a group called clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, styles, cells and editing. If you see here in the extreme right, there is a collapse button. If you click on the collapse button, the ribbon will disappear. Now, whenever you have to use any function from any tab, just click on the tab button, use that function and the ribbon will be gone again. If you want to bring back the ribbon again, click on any tab button twice and you will get the ribbon back again. If you see here on the top left, there are few options. These options are called as quick access toolbar. By default, there is an option of save, undo and redo. If you want to add any more options, there is a small button here by which you can customize your quick access toolbar and add some other functions if you want. Now as you move further below, there is a box called name box. This name box displays the name of the cell that you have selected. Now if you take a look at this spreadsheet, there are small rectangles. These rectangles are called as cells. A cell is an intersection of a row and a column. So the name of the cell is also decided by the name of the row and column. So the name of the cell contains row number and column number. If you see, all rows are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numeric and all columns are named as A, B, C, D. So when you name any cell, it becomes column number first like B and then row number 4. So the name of this cell will become B4 and that is what is displayed here. I have pressed some random numbers here and if I want to do the sum of these three numbers, I will use the sum formula. So now if I select cell D5, I am able to see what formula is used in that cell in this formula bar. If you look further down, there is something called sheet 1. This is the name of the worksheet. If you want to add more Excel worksheets, you just have to click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, you will get another worksheet. If you want to rename these worksheets, just double click on its name and start typing the new name. Like I'll type Excel Basics. This way you can rename the worksheet. If you move further right, there is a scroll bar for you to navigate from left to right and also from top to bottom. Below scroll bar, there is an option of zoom here. So if you want to zoom into this worksheet, just drag this button towards your right, and if you want to zoom out, just drag it towards left. I have some random data here. Now let's say if I want to move some of the information from here to somewhere else, like I'm selecting few cells and I want to shift this data to somewhere else, I can use cut and paste option. For that, one way is select the data, press Ctrl X. Now select the new cell where you want your data to be and press Ctrl V for paste. This is one way of doing cut paste. Another way of doing cut paste is by using this option here in the home tab. Before that, I will press Ctrl Z to undo that, or I can use this button above on my quick access toolbar. This will also undo my action. Another way of doing cut paste is selecting the data, going on the home tab, clicking on this cut button, then select the destination cell and either you can press Ctrl V for paste or you can press this button here for paste. This is how we do cut paste in Excel. If I want to copy some data to somewhere else, for that you have to select the cell, press Ctrl C select the destination cell and then press Ctrl V. This is one way of copy pasting your data. Another way is if you by using this copy button here on Home tab. Just select your data, click on this copy button, select on the destination cell, then press paste again. Your data will get copied. Here in the font group, if you see, there are few other options. Like if you click on this small button here, you will get a lot of fonts option. If you want to change the font size, you can click on this button here and select the font size from here, or directly type in the number that you want for your font size. Or there is also two options of increasing your font and decreasing your font. So this button, first one with the upper arrow, with the small upper arrow, is used for increasing the font, and the button with the down arrow is used for decreasing the font. Here this B button is for bold. It will make your font bold, or the shortcut to this is Ctrl B. I button is for italics. It will italicize your text, and the shortcut key for that is Ctrl plus I. The U button is for underline. It will give an underline to your text or number. The shortcut key for that is Ctrl U. If you see this small square, this option is for adding border to your data. If you click on this down arrow, you will get a lot of options of adding a border. Like you can add a bottom border, or only a top border, left border, right border, or you can add borders to all of your data. Like if I select this whole data and I click on all borders, it will add borders to all of my selection. This option here is for filling the color in the cell, so you can select any color that you want inside your cell. And this option here is for changing your font color. You can select any color that you want, like this. If you see, whatever you have written in cell B3, it is coming out of the cell. So if you want to increase the column width, you just have to double click on this line between two column names, and the column width will automatically get adjusted. As we have done some formatting here in cell B3, if you want to copy this formatting, only formatting in some other cell, then you can click on the cell, select Format Painter, and then click on another cell. Same type of formatting will get copied below as well. If you want to increase or decrease the row height, simply click on this line in between two row numbers and drag it whenever you want. Similarly, it works for column also. Click on this line in between two column names and just drag it whenever you want according to your need. If you see in the alignment group, there are few alignment options. The first option is top align, like it will move the text towards the top border of the cell. The second is mid align, it will bring the text in the middle of the cell. And the third button is bottom align, it will bring the text near the bottom border of the cell. Below that there is left align, this will align your text towards the left. Then there is central align, it will bring your text in the middle of the cell. And then there is right align, this will push your text towards the right side of the cell. Another important option is merge and center. It combines multiple cells into one. For that, select the cells that you want to merge. I will select all these cells and click on merge and center. It will merge all those cells into one cell. And remember, while using merge option, it always keeps the text or formatting from the first cell that you selected. The name of this newly formed merge cell is the name of the first selected cell, which is B3. I hope this video was helpful to you. I will be preparing more videos on Excel basics. Until then, if you liked this content, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching.